Here we interface the 12 traffic LEDs, red, green, yellow, to BeagleBone Black, and this is the code. We interface the respective pin numbers to the respective things. So when we run this code, so when you enter that, so initially all lights will be off and then start green. Okay, so this is the north side. As you can see, this north side go and southeast stop red. So this loop will be continuous for every 20 seconds. So same thing will be changes in the terminal. This is the force status. Okay, and also we are trying to, when the next phase we are interfacing the digital compass. The next is going to be the GSM and GPS in the next BeagleBone section. So this BeagleBone section consists of traffic signals.